Here's what you can expect for your golf movement assessment. You'll be welcomed to the clinic, and then you'll go into a room and chat with a practitioner about your golf related goals. This would include what you're looking to achieve, what's happening and not going right in your game right now, any previous history and current injuries that you have, along with your exercise and activity history. And from there, we'll be creating a plan of exactly how we're going to achieve your goals. Next, what we will complete is a golf swing assessment, and this is from a biomechanical perspective. We're looking for swing characteristics which have been taught to us by the Titleist Performance Institute. And what we do is we identify these swing characteristics first so that we can then identify what to focus on within your exercise program. You'll notice that we'll do this from down the line and also this front on view, which gives us all the information we need to identify those swing characteristics. From here, you'll get a summary report of exactly which swing characteristics you have. Next, we go through a swing speed assessment. This gives us an indication of your handicap capability and how you're moving. We then move on to our golf movement assessment, and this is where we go through 16 different movements that are related to golf, and we test exactly how your body is moving, what your strengths are, and what those areas for improvement are. And this basically maps your body blueprint of exactly what you need to work on to then take your golf to the next level. So you'll see here that we're working through a range of movements and balance tests here that go from all the way from your head to your toe, all the way out to your wrist. And then as a result of this, what we can then start to find is you'll get a traffic light system at the end where there's a score with your golf fitness handicap, which is basically the better you're moving, the lower that golf movement handicap is. And what this does is it then starts to match up with your swing characteristics. We add in your movement assessment results, and this really sharpens our focus as to what those key priorities are to get going with in your golf exercise program. So you'll finish here with a bridge test, which is most challenging. From here, you'll start to have a discussion with your practitioner about exactly those results. Then we're moving on to the exercises. What specific movements do you need to do to improve your golfing ability? So this is a sniper approach rather than, say, a shotgun. We're being very targeted and tailored to exactly what you need to do rather than just throwing any exercise that exists out there. At the end of your assessment, you are going to get this golf game plan sent to you, which is like your roadmap of how you can improve your golf game. And you can take this to your coach or even just use it as a reference point and a baseline of where you're starting from. And we'll often refer back to this throughout your journey and use it when we review your progress and your results. And this is the first step of our Move Better, Play Better golf program. If you'd like to find out more, just head to our website. It has all the details.